Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Getting out here early today before it gets too hot. This is hive number 12 nursery. Okay, 12 nursery. And this one here is one that we had some beetles with. And we put some Swiffer sheets in and some beetle blasters. So we're going to see how they're doing today. This one I didn't put any peppermint in, I don't think, because I wanted to see how things worked. I'll show y'all how they work with those Swiffer sheets and stuff. Okay, I've seen 2 beetles so far. Take the feeder off. We got a beetle buster underneath it. These right here got, let me show you. Okay, this one is on the end. Okay, there's one there, 2 there, 4 there. I'll see that. 4 there. 1 inside. 2 inside. So see, they work. It's just what you want to do. But that's them. Now let's check this other side. The bees will propylize them down. If they can't remove. You don't staple these down, you just put it in there. They'll take it to the front door. This one here has, see, this one here is still living. Okay, now he's not, but it's got 3 there. 1, 2, 3. Looks like it caught a bee. 4, 5. And these are unscented Swiffer sheets now. That's them. See, this one here is still moving around a little. We'll hold them down there. And this one here, beetle trap. Now remember, I stapled some of these down. This one I didn't staple. Okay, and it has get the girls off it first. Okay. Now this one has 1 beetle, 2 beetles, 3 beetles, 3 beetles in it. So people say that's not much. Well, that's a few less than it had. Let's get on down and see what we got now. Here's got bees on it. It's got nectar. Got nectar on that side. I don't see any bugs. See any bugs on the bottom? That's them. This one here may be needing a bigger box or else another box. This one here has brood, larvae, honey, nectar, eggs. This side over here has the same thing. Both sides the same thing. That's all beetle. Go. Now, one thing I tell people about these beetles is, if you have a dog, you take your dog down to the dog shop to get all cleaned up and everything, and take a bath and get all purdy. This one here has brood and larvae. Nectar. This one here's got some nectar, brood, larvae, and eggs. Both sides. Okay, Swiffer seed on the bottom, got a few more beetles on it. Oh, but anyway, you take your dog to the dog shop to get all cleaned up and everything. Get rid of the fleas. By the time you get home, your dog has got fleas again. It's about the same thing with these beetles. You can get rid of all the beetles and take them home, and by the time you get them home, get them set up, go back in and you got beetles and bugs. It's nature. This one here's got some honey and some nectar. This one here has the same thing. See one beetle. Y'all watch the one before this one. You'll see what the difference is. But anyway, it's got nectar. Haven't seen much pollen. This here's got some nectar. Had a little wax moth problem, but they took care of that. Another beetle. There's 3. Okay, but that's it. But they had a little problem with, I can't say problem, had a situation with the wax moth, and this is where the trailer was. You see what they done with it? They got it, they cleaned it out. Probably had some up here too. Okay, but that's them. And what we're going to do here though, this one's got stores on it. We'll move it over to the end, or to the side. This one here has brood in it, so we're going to move it over here. And they could probably use another box, but I still believe we're going to get a honey flow. So this one has brood, this one has brood. This one has stores. I don't think they'll mind. And that's that. Had a bad night's sleep last night. Had pain. So we can call this stops right now. I'm gonna go and get me something to drink. Sit down. And y'all just give us a thumbs up, and comment, share. We're gonna try to make these things a little bit shorter. And share and subscribe. Give us a comment. We appreciate all that. Something y'all want to watch, just let me know. But we're gonna take this one off first. Well, got the squiffer sheet caught under here. There we go. We're going to take this and set it here.